The Indian Navy is hosting the International Fleet Review at Visakhapatnam, and we are getting you this exclusive report from Visakhapatnam, where President will be reviewing the International Fleet Review that happens to be the third in the history. In 2001, India had conducted the first international review. Second was in 2016, and now the third one happens in 2026. And here, more than 71 ships from multiple countries are present, including the Indian Navy's warships. Around 50 of the assets of the Indian Navy, the ships, the submarines, the aerial assets, they will be showcasing their might, their prowess, their enhancing capabilities. And here we are at the INS Savitri, which happens to be one of the major warships, one of the major ships of the Indian Navy, which is now here at Visakhapatnam. And in Visakhapatnam, we'll also be seeing INS Sumedha, which will be the President's yacht, and the Navy chiefs from multiple nations will also be present to witness the might of India's Navy. Not only this, we'll be also seeing ships from 20 nations in this International Fleet Review that will be reviewed by the Indian President. So this is how Indian Navy is not only enhancing its combat capabilities, but also taking the defense diplomacy when it comes to the blue waters ahead. And in this exercise, we will also see some air operations also, the fly past that will be conducted by the fighters of the Indian Navy. We'll also witness INS Vikrant, multiple submarines, ships, and also the fleet review in 6 columns by the President. So this is how prestigiously the Indian Navy is taking the maritime combat capability ahead, and this happens to be a moment of pride for India. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Pradeep Gupta for India Today from Visakhapatnam.